It's about pressure to wet the tape and get the adhesive to flow, not about speed. So much the same as the outside corner, I will give myself a pencil line as a guide. I'll pre-crease this. Sometimes if I want to work really hard or I'm just in the mood, I can actually get this to sit in the corner. But quite literally, if you can stick one side at a time, you are far better off. But I'll ride that line. I will get this side just stuck on that edge. And again, pre-creasing it, I truly believe does help. Now, this does take an extra second, but in my mind, it's totally worth it. Now, you can use your fingers, but if you want to really get a nice job and get that into the corner and save yourself some effort when it comes time to do siding or the cider, either use your square and get that right into the corner, or if you have a tool like a tuck, you can get it right into the corner. That way you don't end up with a rounded corner, and whoever's doing the siding, when they're trying to fit their inside corner or trim pieces, whatever the situation may be, you don't end up with somebody coming along and cutting your tape, because that would be a horrible situation. When you are rolling tape, if you want to bring the roller right in tight to the corner, you can. Just be careful that you're not like really riding that edge. It's about pressure to wet the tape and get the adhesive to flow, not about speed.